So here we have someone with some very long hair. The stylist chops that hair right off. And reveals this super chic pixie style. Wow, absolutely gorgeous makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So for today's video, we are going to be checking out some more amazing long to short makeovers. So here we have someone who also decided to go shorter. She ended up getting this classic bob haircut with a center part down the middle. Here we have someone with beautiful curly hair. Looks like she cut it all off. Did a buzz cut and went blonde. Wow, she can definitely be a model. She looks gorgeous. I wonder if she is one. Next up, we have someone with red hair. Her hair color is absolutely beautiful. So glad she didn't dye it. And I am obsessed with this pixie cut. Absolutely beautiful. I love the overall shape of that one. Here we have someone with very long waist length hair. It's like she decided to get a shoulder length cut, followed by another long to short. Her hair is almost about waist length, I would say. Stylist has the scissors. She is ready. There goes all of that long hair. She has beautiful thick hair as well. Oh, she's holding the hair. Oh, it looks like she got a nice shoulder length lob. She still has a lot of hair that she can play around with here. Beautiful amount of volume. Gorgeous. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist has the hair in a ponytail, cuts it all off. Oh, wow. She ended up getting a pixie with an undercut style. Very unexpected. I thought maybe she was going to get a bob. But yeah, she decided to go super short with this one. Next up, stylist is already cutting those ponytails. Oh, and she is going, I thought same thing with this video. I thought she was going to get a bob. No, she is going much shorter with an undercut pixie. Quite a few surprising long to short transformations in today's video. So here we have someone, she has pink, or she has curly hair here. I was going to say pink hair, but no, just curly. And she's going quite short here as well. Oh, mullets. Curly mullets are actually really popular. And they're a great way to wear your hair for the summer season. So the stylist is going quite short here. Looks like she might be getting a buzz cut as well. I love how shocked she is during this entire process. Whoa! Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. All right, you guys, thank you for checking out another long to short video. If you like this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.